In this episode, we will take you to the world's largest indoor water park, the tropical islands near Berlin in Germany. In this specific clip here, we will show you the core of this resort, the tropical sea theme area. For the full review of the entire resort, see our channel or the link in the description.
Welcome to Explore with Us, the Family Travel Channel.
In this episode, we will take you around the main attraction of the tropical island, the center of this resort, the key feature, the tropical sea. The tropical sea is spanning over impressive 3,000 square meters, which is equivalent to the size of 3 Olympic swimming pools. The water is with 32 degrees comfortable and offers fun for all ages in a spacious, state-of-the-art environment. The sandy beach, stretching 200 meters, is a major attraction for visitors seeking a relaxing and fun-filled day out. Here you can bury your toes in the sand, lounge in a deck chair, and bask in the sun's warm embrace. The UV permeable sheeting on the south side not only ensures the plants in the rainforest receive sufficient light, but also creates a summery atmosphere for beachgoers. The water shimmers a beautiful azure blue. Children build sandcastles, and parents can unwind in this idyllic setting, evoking a genuine tropical holiday vibe. What we see is the water playground for toddlers. It is called Cracky Beach. It is located not far from the South Sea, and is particularly eye-catching because of its large, friendly inhabitant, the pink giant squid. A submarine is anchored at the edge, with colorful fish passing by its portholes. Let your kids go on a discovery tour. A major highlight of the tropical sea is the Jungle Splash Water Playground, featuring a 15-meter tall tower with 8 water slides, splash cannons. This 650 square meter playground promises fascinating water fun for kids and adults alike. We were struggling to get our girls out of here. The Jungle Splash was the main attraction for our kids the same way as for us adults. Please note that some of the slides here were for kids from the age of 6, unless the parents were sliding with. And if you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and activate the bell. This way you will not miss out any of our new uploads with really helpful and great family travel videos. Also, have a look on our channel. There is a wide variety on travel clips with a lot of good tips and hints. You might have noticed on some of the scenes a balloon with us with the number 5. We celebrated here the 5th birthday of our daughter. It was the best gift she could wish. Tropical Island was just the best birthday gift. For the very little once was this designated area here. Here you could find in a nice and colorful environment very shallow waters, short slides, water guns, and some water sprinklers. It was perfect for our 1.5 years old daughter. You could find here 3 slides, 2 shallow water pools, a waterfall, 2 water cannons, and many more water attractions. The water temperature was with 32 degrees just perfect for me, but Mama wished it would be a bit warmer. I guess this also depends on the outside temperature and the season. You will find here also the Palm Beach restaurant with its stunning terrace. You find here all sort of cool drinks, ice, snacks, but also normal meals. Just to give you an idea, here the menu with the prices. Please note that the status of the prices is obviously from the time of our trip. The ambiance of the tropical sea is truly a one-of-a-time experience and offers countless possibilities for enjoyment, day and night. The evening here had their own flair underlined with the special light effects and the holiday flair. The colors in the nights lead also to a great ambience and triggered surely a relaxation mood.
And if you are looking for some cool Explore with Us designs, then please check out our online shop. You will find there hundreds of fashion and accessories designs. The link you will find in the description below.
And we would strongly like to recommend you these 2 clips on our channel. They're also about Tropical Island. Have a look, you find there's some important and helpful information.